Hello, oh, sorry. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Laurence Pavitt. It's me again, Laurence Pavitt again. As you notice, in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can do different sounds on the piano. Okay, so if I get the piano, okay, and the first sound is ordinary piano. Then you got the honky tonk. Then you got the electric piano. That's actually the first electric piano, but wait till you hear the second sound of the electric piano. Then here's the third one. The harpsy thing. Okay. And here's the kind of clabby. So you can do different sounds. That's another sound. Here's the vibrator. Here's the other bit of the vibrator. And here we go. Here's the harmony. The harmony sound. And here's the other bit. And here's the. Then you got the other sound, sound. I'm using the same chords to demonstrate the sounds. And the funny face. Alright, here we go. That's a pipe organ. That's a good. Sometimes that can be a good sound, but yes. Here we go. Extortion. The harmonica, we go like that. With the harmonica goes like like this. Soft. This is the soft. This is the sound of soft guitar. And here's the folk. This is the folk one. And here's the 12-stringed sound guitar. The sound of the guitar on piano. And here is the jazz. Here's the electric. And here's the disc. This is the disc guitar. And let's go through the bass sounds on this. Now here's the finger bass. here's the snap bass. And you got the strings. And you got the violin sound. Okay. And here's the hard, heart thing with the strings, heart thing. And here's the banjo. And there's the vibes. And here's this is another sound that which I don't hardly use. Okay, I think that's all the sounds I can go through with you, and I hope again I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, please subscribe and comment below what you think about it. And in this video you see me pulling some funny faces, so I hope you like the funny faces as well. I hope they make you laugh as well, and hope you enjoy.